Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the camera app error 0xa00f4240 in Windows 11 10s. The camera app error 0xa00f4240 unknown in Windows 11 10s occurs when the camera app is unable to access or use the camera properly. This error can be caused by outdated or incompatible camera drivers, incorrect privacy settings, or issues with the camera app itself. To resolve this error, you can update or reinstall the camera drivers, ensure that the camera is enabled in privacy settings, reset the camera app, or run the Windows troubleshooter for the camera. These steps typically help restore normal functionality to the camera app. Step 1. Check camera permissions. First, let's make sure the camera app has the necessary permissions. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Camera under App Permissions. Scroll down to App Permission and locate Camera. Ensure the toggle switch is turned on for camera access, and also make sure that apps like the Camera app are allowed to use the camera. Once that is done, you can close this window and head to the next step. Step to update camera driver. Next, we need to update the camera driver. Right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager. Find Cameras, expand the list, right-click your camera device, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install the latest version. After updating the drive, let's do the final step. Step 3. Reset the camera app. If the problem persists, try resetting the camera app. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select Installed Apps. Find the camera app, click on the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Reset. This will reset the app without affecting your photos or videos. Give it a few seconds and the app will reset. After that, you can restart your PC and open the camera app. It should be working. That's it. If this fix worked for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.